Well, hello, you. Yes, you. It is time to set up your My Shop and start taking advantage of all the new changes with Mary Kay. And I realize you might not be a super active and involved consultant. No problem. I just want to share some really quick things that might be very beneficial for you in just making a little bit of extra money on the side and potentially just having a few customers. So first off, one of the first and main changes that I want to share with you, I'm so excited about this. If you have not seen this yet, is that, here we go. You can make a 30% profit right away. So even if you're like, but Emily, I'm not active, I don't have enough to place a big order, girl, it's no problem. You can still make 30% anytime someone orders off of your My Shop, which is our new Mary Kay website. Okay. So 30%, that's awesome, right? So, and then if you get 225 or more of wholesale orders, you can then regain active status and you'll make that 50%. But right away, you're going to make 30% on any and every order that goes through your Mary Kay website. The other exciting piece is that when people place an order through your My Shop, you don't have to do anything. You don't have to ship anything. You don't have to order it in and then reship it out or get it to them. Mary Kay takes care of it all. They are going to ship it for you. They're going to do all the packaging, fast and efficient delivery. And the coolest part is the money just shows up in your bank account 24 hours later. So it is so easy. And the best news ever is that My Shop is free for every single beauty consultant. So what I'm about to tell you about costs you nothing. Okay, it can only make you some money potentially. It's not going to cost you anything except maybe 15 minutes of your time. So if you wouldn't mind carving out 15 minutes, it helps our team and our company a ton to just carve it out and set up your My Shop. I'm going to show you how to do that really quickly in a second. And as a fun little promo, every single consultant who does it is going to get their name. And for this cute pink, it's pink. My light is not doing it justice. It's making it look blue. But it is a authentic Kate Spade wallet. The price tag says $98, and inside there's 40 bucks. So you could potentially win this super cute Kate Spade wallet, but you have to do it by this Sunday. So I'm going to be doing the drawing for the wallet on Monday at noon. So you have to have your My Shop set up by this Sunday. I'm telling you, if you sat down and did it, it would take you 15, 20 minutes. Okay. So first up, I want to show you how to set up your My Shop. So this first step you'd want to do is go to marykayintouch.com. That's our consultant website. And then you are going to click on, I will show you this here in a second. You're going to go to this business tools tab right here, and you're going to click on My Shop. And then you're going to click on Manage Your Shop with your shop manager. And all of this is very easy. You might have an extra setup screen, but all of these things are very easy to set up. So first off, you have some preferences. Do you want to offer free shipping on a certain amount? You don't have to do that. You can toggle any of these off. I like to do free shipping on orders of $50 or more. Awesome. You could offer to have your customers get the beauty news. You can pick, you pick 4 products that you like that you want to display on your My Shop page. That's easy. It's literally just checking boxes. And then you're going to want to pick 2 zip codes within 50 miles of each other because each zip code is going to cover a 50-mile radius. So don't pick 2 zip codes next to each other. But this is where you will be displayed as a beauty consultant. And again, if some random woman within 50 miles of that zip code is looking for Mary Kay products, she finds your My Shop, orders through it. Again, you don't have to do anything, and you're going to make at least a minimum of 30%. And the company's going to ship and do everything for you. So it's definitely worth that. Then profile details, right? You're going to make a little bio about yourself. It can be as long or as short as you want. You can put any social media handles you want, any specialties you have. Again, you don't have to select all 6 if you want. I would just turn all of these on, okay, at the bottom. Display my city, display my info, join my team button, and connect with me on marykay.com. And then you just pick a profile photo. Most of you probably have one on your phone. Don't overthink it. Just upload a photo. You can add additional personal photos if you choose. I have some just kind of fun ones from Mary Kay on here. Stripe account. So Stripe is also free. This is how you are going to get paid when people order through your website. And you guys, it's honestly for me, it was super easy to set up. I have US Bank, and it was like the easiest thing ever. And so look at this. I got some orders while I was gone, and this balance is going to be hitting my bank account tomorrow, or today. So that's super exciting. But it'll kind of show you that here. And then at the end is your link to your My Shop. So you can copy that so you know what it is, and you can send it to people. My recommendation, okay, so this is what my shop looks like. So it's marykay.com/Emily Schutte, is yeah, you can just set it up. That's all you have to do. That's the only requirement to get in the Kate Spade and $40 cash drawing. But what I would recommend is just like posting it or sending it to at least 5 to 10 people and letting them know, like, hey, I have a new website if you want to check it out, or just, check it out to give me your opinion. And here's what's neat, you guys. Like, let's say they click on makeup. I would also encourage them to use some of the virtual tools within it. So let's say you could even say like, oh my gosh, you can try on lipstick virtually, right? So let's say she's looking at the lipstick. Let's see, Poetic Pink. She can click this try it on button. And when she clicks that, it's going to take her to the Mirror Me app where she can either upload a picture of herself or, if she wants to take a live photo, and she can try on the lipstick. So that could potentially lead to some orders for you. We also have that free Skin Analyzer app. And you guys, here's what's cool too. If you've ever tried, selling to customers through your Mary Kay website in the past, it's been a little bit cumbersome and a little bit of a longer process. It is so easy for people to shop on our websites. So again, this is all free for you. You could potentially profit 30 or 50%. It helps our team, helps our company, and it might just be the start of you having a small customer base. And again, you don't have to ship or do anything. So I'm just like so on board with this, and that's why I'm offering this extra incentive through this weekend for all orders through my shop, or for people who set up, consultants in my unit that set up their my shop. So hopefully this is helpful for you, and thank you for watching this super quick video.
Wow!